Hey everyone, so welcome back. I have my rolling Bath & Body Works project pan update, and this is going to be the last update before I finish it off for the year and kind of do a recap just to like in perspective how many Bath & Body Works products I use and how many lotions I've used. I am again at a different angle just because I waited a little too late to film this video, and it's going up today on Wednesday the 12th. I don't know my dates right now. And I am playing with eyeshadow today. I was like, I have colors, let me use them. Why not? Let's be fun. So if it looks bad, I don't care. So yeah, you guys are here to see how I've been doing on basically what seems like my whole winter candy apple collection, but it's really not. It really isn't. So let's start with the exciting stuff. I was able to finish the Winter Candy Apple body cream, and this is from circa 2015. I only use this on my legs and on my body just because the smell and the consistency did start to change, because again, it's been 3 years since I bought this and decided to use it, so I wouldn't put it on my arms just because it doesn't smell the best. So I did use it on my legs and like on my body, and because it was a lot more liquidy than what it normally is when it's nice and fresh, I did go through it a lot faster. So that is that one. I still have a little bit of my Bright Autumn Blooms body butter. Let me show you how much I have. So that's about how much I have. So this really is only going to be one more week of use before it's all gone, but because it's still in here, that's what I'm going to be using. And this is what I've been using on my upper body, and it smells so good. It's a nice change from Winter Candy Apple because this is a lot more warmer of a fragrance. And of course, Winter Candy Apple is sweet and bright and cheery, so I am thoroughly enjoying it. And this is my last Bright Autumn Blooms, so it's a little bit sad, but you know, this container is a little slippery because it's twist off. But yeah, still have a little bit more of this, about a week's worth, so I'm still going to be using this one. For sprays, I haven't finished anything yet. I'm still working on my Perfect Autumn Day Fine Fragrance Mist, and I'm really honing in on this to finish this off before the end of the year, because I did add another one. The progress hasn't been like as good as the other ones, so this is where it was when I put it in the intro. First update, last update, and then this update. You'd think I could finish it off because it is a travel size, but I don't. I just like usually spray it once and then like call it a day. I've been trying to take it with me to work and just respraying it there, but as you can see, I have not made as much progress as I have because again, I've been using the other one, and also I feel like this update's a lot sooner than the other updates, so that might be why there's not as much progress. It's because I've had a lot less time, but yes, my goal is to finish this by the end of the year, just to get another one out because I have so many. And then of course I have my Winter Candy Apple, the full size one, and there's not going to be a whole lot of progress on this because again, I've been focusing on the other one, but I did start here. Let me see if I can get it to focus. So as you can see, I did start here and now it's down to here. With bigger sizes. Of course you can see a lot less, but I really love Winter Candy Apple, and I go ham and I go to town when I spray this. It does take much more longer to use this, but this is something I'm going to be using like all winter, and when I start my one for next year, then I will be putting this back in and just trying to work through it and finish it up because I just have so many Winter Candy Apple sprays, and then I can switch to a springtime when it's time to switch over to springtime. So yeah, that is my update on this one, and I don't know, I just love the fact that like the liquid's red also, but it doesn't stain. If you ever had any questions where it's like you're a little scared about colored ones, they don't stain. I mean, the other one's green also, so yeah. Alright, and as for my Winter Candy Apple Creamy Body Scrub, I'm about halfway done with this, so I have really been using this a lot. There is 8 ounces, so the same amount as a shower gel has 10 ounces, so this is the same amount as a body lotion, but of course it's a scrub, and I've been using it a lot just on my arms, my thighs. I'll even use it on my buttocks just to keep that area fresh also. And so yeah, I have about halfway left, and this is not going to be a problem to use up. This is my last scrub from Bath & Body Works if I didn't mention it in my last video, but I'm pretty sure I did, just because, excuse me, just because I feel like you can DIY a scrub and not waste plastic. I am trying to, I feel like I was saying a lot. I am trying to reduce my carbon footprint because I think it's really important for everyone to do their part, and baby steps is the way to go. Like this whole year I've been doing a lot better, and I'm gonna do a video about it eventually, but I just feel like keep wasting like products like body scrubs that you go so fast, even lotions. Like I am thinking of like, you know, still purchasing here and there once I'm allowed to purchase, because I am on a no buy. I was gonna say on a bone buy, and I'm like, yep, on a bone buy. I am on a no buy till December 1st of 2019, and I still have lotion to last me like till then, so I don't have to buy anything, but I do want to play around with making my own, and packaging free, chemical free, and all of that stuff, you know, but I still enjoy my scented stuff. But that's that. Okay, that was that spiel. And as for the things that I'm adding in 2 more lotions. I am adding another Winter Candy Apple from the 2015 era. This is the last one I have. This is exactly the same as the one that I used up. Its consistency has changed, the scent has changed, so this is strictly going on my lower half of the body where I can't really smell it, and because it's winter, I'm wearing pants and sweatpants and leggings and you can't really smell it. But you want to keep that area hydrated, so this is what I'm going to be using on that one. That lower half. And then for my upper half, as soon as I'm done with my Autumn Blooms, which I'm kind of sad about, I am putting in yet another Winter Candy Apple lotion. This is from last year. This is one of the 2 packages that they had last year. They actually like did quite a bit of packaging, and so this one still smells good and like what Winter Candy Apple should smell like, so I'm excited to use this one once the other one's up. And again, I have until the end of the year to finish all of this up, and I think it will be possible just because, you know, it's winter, you're dry, you need to be moisturized. So yeah, it's weird to think that this is coming to like an end, but it's not coming to an end because I'm totally restarting this next year. But I might just start like with a whole new slew of products instead of like keep like working on the same things except for a couple of ones, and then like recap, like, because I've been keeping track of how many products I've been using this entire year slash lotions I've been using, so it'll be interesting to recap with you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little update, and I know this is going up scheduled on Reneemus, but it is going up a little bit later than what I usually tend, just because I definitely did not pre-record. I usually try to record a couple days before just to have it ready and upload, but I'm definitely was not prepared for this one this time because time got away from me because of holiday festivities. But alas, I'm still posting every other day. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!